Hello YouTube, welcome to another taste review by me. Today we have the one and only Little Deborah birthday cake cream pies. And yes, they are new. So normally I buy these ones. Focus. They're rectangular, they're called birthday cakes. It's basically just a fancy cake with sprinkles infused and sprinkles on top. They're really good. I like them a lot. But these ones seemed interesting. The cream pie seems interesting. It doesn't look like they have sprinkles inside, whereas the birthday cake ones do have them inside. The not cream pie ones, the normal ones. So yeah, let's open these up and give them a taste. Okay. So this one looks like it has two sprinkles. Two green sprinkles on top there. And a red and a are you kidding me? That does not look like the picture at all. What? Look at this one. No sprinkles. Oh, okay. They were saving them for these ones, I see. So, I guess if you're really wanting sprinkles, just beware. You might only get two green ones. I eat all of my my treats with a glass of milk. So, there we have that. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a sweatshirt in the middle of July, the end of July, it was raining today, and it was quite wet and quite cold. And I just went to a fireworks show, and I think this is the first time I have been worn a sweatshirt this whole summer. It was like, I don't know, last 3 weeks has been over 100 degrees. There we have it. It smells just like the normal birthday cake ones that I'm used to. Oh. It's thicker. It's not as fluffy. Not as fluffy and light. Speaking of light, my light just died. You can kind of see, if this camera will focus. It almost looks like they baked the cake like just a little too long. Almost has like a, I don't know, it's a thicker texture to it. Yeah. It tastes pretty close to these other ones that I keep referring to. I like the other ones better. Yeah. The cream in the middle, creamy. The cake, it's not a cake consistency. It's almost a brownie. It's in between a cake and a brownie, texture-wise. I keep dropping crumbs everywhere. It's good. The flavor is almost identical. but the texture is different. There we have it. Little Debbie birthday cake cream pies. Not my favorite. I probably wouldn't buy them again. I love milk so much. Stay tuned for the next video. I have another treat kind of like this surprise for you. So yeah. Anyways, leave a comment of something else you'd want me to review, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.